Hello, colleagues. I'm here to just give you a demonstration of how easy we have made it at CDLTR to record your lectures. We have we have come up with a system where you can just come with your PowerPoint presentations or all the points that you need for your lecture, load it onto this, stand in front of the monitor, and actually we record your lecture. Now, what is the advantage of this kind of a system? The advantage is that it looks like you are standing in front of a board or a projection screen, and you are making your PowerPoint presentation as well. But you will also notice that when I am pointing to a certain thing in the PowerPoint presentation, the students can actually see the presentation on the screen. So this minimizes the time it requires for us to edit your video, insert the PowerPoint presentations, etc. And therefore, your video is actually edited even as it is being recorded. So we hope you will find this easy and convenient for you to record your lectures. Thank you.